What will the iPhone 12 be like? iPhone 12 is the upcoming 2020 Apple smartphone that will usher in a new iPhone update cycle. A lot is already known about the iPhone 12, iPhone 12 Pro and iPhone 12 Pro Max. Smartphones will receive a full redesign, another unusual camera, updated displays and many other features. In this article, we have gathered all the reliable information about future iPhones. After reading the material, many of you will definitely want to start saving money by next fall. How many new iPhones will be? In 2020, Apple will again release 3 new smartphones. This was announced by the authoritative analyst Min-Chi Kuo, who is famous for dozens of true predictions regarding Apple devices. According to its sources, in the fall of 2020 will be released 5.4-inch iPhone with OLED screen, 6.1-inch iPhone with OLED screen, 6.7-inch iPhone with OLED screen. All new Apple smartphones in 2020 will have an OLED display. iPhone LCDs are a thing of the past. Just a few years ago, there was no doubt about how Apple would call its new smartphones. iPhone 5S followed iPhone 5S, and after that everyone was waiting for iPhone 6 and iPhone 6s next. No surprises, complete stability. But everything changed after the release of iPhone 10. Apple began to practice naming. It got to the point that the company's latest 6.5-inch smartphone is called the iPhone 11 Pro Max. If you tell someone in 2015 that the iPhone will have such a name soon, he would definitely not believe it. Apple itself seems to like these names. At the moment, there are no obvious leaks about how the 2020 iPhone will be called. There are only assumptions based on the names of the latest iPhone models. Most likely, Apple will name the following smartphones iPhone 12, iPhone 12 Pro and iPhone 12 Pro Max, similar to previous models. The names are bulky, but they won't get confused. At the same time, the starting and less expensive iPhone 12 model will have a 6.1-inch display. The iPhone 12 Pro is a 5.4-inch and the iPhone 12 Pro Max is a 6.7-inch. This was confirmed by the same expert Min-Chi Kuo.